Hi and welcome to today's session on constructing parallel lines. So here I've got a line. Now bear in mind that a parallel line is a line which runs exactly in line and it will never ever cross. It stays equidistant. It stays an equal distance all the way along from another line. So first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to choose 2 points along this line. Now I could couple of well, there is a number of methods that we could use for this, but the ones most widely used is that first of all you create a perpendicular line, which we've seen on a previous clip, and we measure 1 meter away from this. If I wanted to create a parallel line which is 1 meter away, then you measure 1 meter from here, create a perpendicular line from here, which is 1 meter long. And then you simply just draw a line going straight the way across at the 2 points created. Another way that students like to use is that you pick 2 points on your line still, but this time you'll open up your compass to 1 meter radius. I know in real life that would be quite a large compass, but just maybe a scale drawing. So you put your compass at the point and you open your compass up to 1 meter. Now, if you was to draw an arc at, well, a semicircle at both of these 2 points, at the highest points of both of these 2 semicircles, if you draw a line going straight the way through, touching both of the semicircles, this would also create a parallel line which is 1 meter away. As always, try and make sure that any of these lines which you add in to help you create a solution to the problem, make sure you never rub out these lines, because these are actually part of your method marks, your construction lines. So different little problem here. Now we are trying to create a parallel line parallel to our line just here, which is going to pass through point P. Now, this is one which normally throws learners. So what we're going to do, first of all, we are going to take a compass and we're going to put it at 2 points on the line. Sometimes these are given, sometimes these are not. So I want you to choose a point, mark the point on your line, mark the other point on the line that you are going to use, and open your compass up. So the point is in the 1 point that you chose and the pencil is in the other point that you chose on the line. Now I want you to keep the compass and the pencil distance the exact same. I don't want you to play about with the compass, fold it, close it. Just want you to keep it the exact same. And I want you to take your compass and put the compass point at the point that's given off the line. And quite simply, I just want you to draw an arc. Most people, when they draw these arcs, they draw it quite large. Just make sure that it's in this region just here. Now, the next thing that we need to do is take our compass, put the compass back on one of the points that we chose, the first point that we chose that we put our compass in originally, and open up the compass so the pencil is on the point that was given to us to create our parallel line. Now we're going to keep the compass the exact same, and we're going to put the compass on the other points that we made on point B, and we are going to draw an arc so it crosses the arc created originally. So now it's created an arc across point. We are going to simply take a ruler and we're going to draw a line going straight the way through our point P, which was given, and crossing our crossed arcs. And that has now created a parallel line which is crossing through the point which is not on the line. So we can also use parallel lines to problem solve when maybe we are faced with this type of problem. Here we've got line segment AB, and we've been asked to divide this into equal parts. So the first thing we're going to do, we are going to draw a line and create an angle. So I'm going to create line AC. This could be any length that you wish, but as you can see, I've just created an angle. Now I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to open it up where I can see fit that I'm going to be able to split this line AC into equal parts. So let's say in this case I want to split my line AB into 5 parts, 5 equal parts. I'm going to set my compass where I know I'm going to be able to make 5 arcs along this by keeping the compass the exact same. So I'm going to open up my compass and I'm going to draw an arc. Now I'm going to repeat this. I'm going to put my compass in the arc that I just created and I'm going to create another arc, and then so on and so forth until I've made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arcs. And as you can see, each one of these is equally spaced. Now I'm going to draw a line from my last arc created to my point B on my line segment. Now from this, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using methods that I saw in the first slide, and I'm going to create parallel lines to this one just here. Each one of these is going to be parallel, and this will automatically cut this line segment AB into 5 equal parts. Each one of these are equal size, and you can test this out. Use a ruler to measure it afterwards just to prove that it's correct. But if you do get a problem like this, yet again, please make sure that you leave in your construction lines, because obviously these go towards your method marks. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.